Ever felt like your photos are missing that extra something? Today, we're diving into how to completely transform your images by changing the background in Adobe Photoshop CS6. First, open your image with the subject you want to isolate. We'll start with a quick method, the Magic Wand tool. Find it in your Tools panel. Usually on the left, click the Magic Wand tool. Click on the background you want to remove. You may need to adjust the tolerance setting at the top. A lower setting will let you select a precise background. If the selection isn't perfect, hold Shift and click to add to the selection, or Alt option to subtract from the selection. Once the background is selected, refine the edges using Select and Mask, a dialog box where you can smooth the edges. Press the Delete key to remove the background. Now, we have isolated our subject. For more intricate backgrounds or subjects, grab the Pen tool. Click around the subject to create anchor points, tracing its outline. This takes a bit more time, but gives precise results. Close the path by clicking back on your starting point. Right-click on your trace path and select Make Selection, then copy and paste the subject into the new background image. Resize and position your subject as needed. Fine-tune the edges and add any necessary adjustments like shadows or color correction in the Layers panel to make it all blend seamlessly. And there you have it. Your subject now fits perfectly in a new scene.